Hi, I'm Jim Lambert. The area we live in is laced with large interstate highways, large industries, particularly the oil industry, over which large trucks, particularly 18-wheelers and bobtail trucks, operate. Sadly, many serious accidents are caused along I-10, I-49, and along Highway 90 all throughout South Louisiana. Particularly US 90 is with its crossovers is a place where we found many fatal accidents and many horrible injuries occur. Many of the trucks are spanning the little lanes because of the crossovers. Bobtail trailers are still blocking lanes. We have the sugarcane industry with large trucks and agricultural trailers, and then of course sometimes sugarcane falling off of them. So all these things present serious risks to regular drivers and other truckers as well. And over the years we found this to be a very big problem, one that usually ends up in the courts. This area of law is one that is complex and does require some specialized knowledge. As a board-certified trial attorney, I have familiarized myself over the last 35 years with many of the regulations that deal with these industries, the trucking industry in particular. These regulations come from both the federal government, the Interstate Commerce Commission, and the state government, the Louisiana Department of Transportation. The types of things that we find following some of these horrible accidents are things like lack of training on the part of the drivers, drivers being pushed by companies to work overtime, drivers' logs being changed, falsified, or being missing. We find missing reflectors, we find speeding, we find overloading, we find failure to obtain proper permits for things like hazardous waste. So these are all potentially very deadly scenarios that can occur, and because of the size of the loads, the type of cargoes, it is a recipe for very serious cases. And sadly, we do have more than our share here in South Louisiana of trucking accidents. In such a case, I strongly believe that the services of a board-certified trial attorney like myself can help someone who's been involved in an accident. And it's important to intervene quickly to preserve evidence, to document the potential violations of the company, to get records from the investigating authorities, whether it be the state police, or the parish sheriff's office, or perhaps the DOT. So all these things are things that we are accustomed to dealing with in my office. And if you should be involved in an accident like that, I'll be more than happy to sit down with you and go over your case and start an immediate investigation.